Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will explain how to disable the PowerApps permission pop-up consent form. And before we get into the implementation, let me show you something. Recently, we released on PowerApps application an employee satisfaction survey. I will send this link in the description box below so you can download the complete solutions over here. And here you can request for the demo. Within 5 minutes, I will just quickly explain how this application will work. Okay. Now coming to the application, here this application contains 8 screens. So the first screen is this one. In this home screen, you can see there are 6 button controls which is used for navigation purpose. So the first one is new survey. When the employees click on that one, it will navigate to the new survey screen. So this is the screen. Here they can submit their survey and it also allows to submit anonymous survey and they can also save it as a draft and they can reset all these things. And then the second one is my survey button. So when they click on that one, they will navigate to this screen and this screen contains the previously submitted surveys of the current user. So here they can also edit and delete the draft items. And then coming to the all survey details screen. So this screen is available only for the admin people and also the HR people. So they can able to see the previously submitted employee survey details over here and they can also filter these employee names with the over here and also they can filter with the department and for HR people this anonymous survey will be visible. They can also see the anonymous survey details. And then coming to the employee survey dashboard screen and this screen is visible for the admin people and also for the HR people. And here you can see we are displaying the employee survey results on the pie chart and line chart and also in the down we have displayed for the many questions. For example, job satisfaction. So here you can see we are displaying the percentage of each choice values like how many employees chose those values. And then coming to the HR survey dashboard screen. Here you can see this will be available only for the HR people and in the left side they can search for the any employee survey question and based on the question when they click in the right side they can able to see that survey results. And also we are displaying the percentage of employees who chose those values in this progress bar. And if you want to filter to see who are the employees who chose that options, they can also filter in the down. And then this is the admin settings screen. So in this application, you are not going to do anything manually. Everything you can do from the app itself. And here is the admin settings. For example, if you want to change the company logo, you can simply come to the screen and you can change that one. And if you want to allow the employees to submit multiple surveys, you can also achieve this one by enabling this one. So this is all about the employee survey satisfaction application. If you are interested to use this application, just contact us with the mail hello@spguides.com. So now we will see what we are going to do in this video. So in this, I open this PowerApps application. Let me share one application with any user. Here I am taking the survey app. I am sharing this one with the name Lydia. I am providing the edit permission. Let me share this application, copy this link address. Now open that copied link address of that application in a new tab. And here you can see now we got this permissions pop-up message. So this pop-up message will be visible every time whenever we are sharing this application with the end users. And the users also need to connect whatever the connectors we are used for this application. So by clicking allow, it will allow your connection. And here if you want to switch account, for example, by default it will take the current user's connection. If you want to connect it with another account means you can just simply click on this ellipses and here you can see this add new connection. By clicking on this one, it will ask you to add the new connections. However, sometimes users do not want to see this consent pop-up box while sharing the application repeatedly. In that cases, we can disable this pop-up message using the PowerShell script. Now I will show you how to disable this pop-up message when we are sharing this application. So to disable that pop-up message, we require the application ID and also the environment ID. Now I will select one application, for example this application examples. When I open this application, here you can see the settings. Click on this one, go to this developer resources And here you can see the environment ID. Just copy this ID and paste it in the notepad. So here I am pasting this one environment ID, and then we also require to get this application ID. So to get this application app ID, so for that one, open this PowerApps platform, click on this ellipsis, and here you can see the details option. Now here you can see the app ID over here. Now copy this application ID also and paste in the notepad. And this is the PNP PowerShell command which is used to disable that permission pop-up message. And to use this PowerShell command, you need to have the system administrator permission. So if you have the permission, just provide the environment ID which we copied over here for this environment name. So, and also for the app name, just copy this application ID and paste over there. Now we need to run this PowerShell command. So to run this PowerShell command, you can also use the editors like Visual Studio Code or Windows PowerShell ISE. Now I am using the VS Code to run this PowerShell script. Just copy this one. So let me paste this command over here and just click on enter. Then it will ask you to provide the connection. I'm taking my username, then provide the password. Click on sign in. And here you can see the success message. The status code is 200, which is nothing but the request we sent is success. So it bypassed that permission message which is visible whenever we are sharing that application. So, so when the end users open that application, they won't get that permissions message. It will automatically took that permissions. Now we will open that application with another account. Now I came to this PowerApps platform. Let me share this application with one user account. I'm sharing with Lydia, and I also providing this co-owner permissions. Let me share this one. Copy this link address, and we will open in the in a new tab. So here I am opening this one. And now you can see this application is open directly, and it is not showing that pop-up message. And here you can also see I am logging with this account, and previously the account owner is this application owner is someone else like this user. So this way we can disable that permissions pop-up messages. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.